Hi everyone, my orange CraftBot 3D printer from Craft Unique is printing again the large screw circle, but this time it's printed on an orange PLA filament. The first time it was printed on a PETG white filament. Heat temp is 195 degrees and bed temperature is 55 degrees as compared to printing PETG. The heat temperature was 250 degrees and the bed temp was 80 degrees. Then again, why is it that this at the part where the screw thread is printing, there's still such a unwholesome thing, since there's a lot of gap? What is the reason? Once again, I want to have an experiment of seeing how much is the fit of this filament into the extruder. I'm not pulling it, I'm just putting my fingers there. Seems a very little fit going into the extruder. Similar symptom as when the print was done on a PETG filament. What is the reason? Is it something to do with CrafWare slicer settings? This print was done sliced through CrafWare, which is what you see here. Is there something wrong with the CrafWare slicer, or is it something wrong with the file, the source file here?